Hey Facebook gang, it's Bob, and we are on day 15, positive session 5. And I was thinking today, as I just got back from Florida vacation, back to Fort Wayne, and I was thinking about the weather. I was maybe a little bit bummed out, but tonight I'm going to play sand volleyball for the first time this session, and I'm super stoked about that, regardless of whatever the weather is. I realize in moments like that where I start getting kind of down about it, that there's a lot of things to be positive about, and I don't judge myself for feeling bad about the weather. I don't get negative with myself for maybe complaining when I shouldn't, but rather try to replace those thoughts. If I'm a little gloomy or I'm sort of seeing the negative side of things, just trying to find a positive to replace it with. They talk about finding the silver lining, look for the good, look for the positive, and that's something that I try and do when I catch myself like that. Many people, especially people that have gone through depression, there's this overwhelming feeling of like, why am I feeling this way? Why am I so anxious? Or why can't I do this? Or why can't I feel happy about something? And that judging tends to make it worse. It makes, there's no really good answer for that. The answer sometimes is it's depression, or the answer is, you just lost your focus. But the idea of not judging, not punishing yourself for having negative thoughts, but realizing you have the opportunity and the choice to make a positive decision. You have a choice to find some silver lining. One of those silver linings for me might be I have all 10 of my fingers and all 10 of my toes. All my limbs are intact. My seeing is intact. My hearing is intact. So it's not I feel like a shitty person because I'm ungrateful for what I have. It's really more about just celebrating the fact that it's not as hard for me to go and play volleyball on a day that might be a little chilly. It's going to be cold for a little while. That's temporary. That will end at some point. I'll be sweating my face off and loving every second of it. So again, choose the positive when you can. Just celebrate those things. Find something to celebrate, even if you still might have those feelings of gloom or sadness. So anyway, that's positive session 15, and I hope you guys love each other, teach and inspire each other every day, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Cheers.